Hello tipsters and tricksters, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. Today I have a little haul for you from one of my favorite brands, and that is The Pretty Dress. They are a UK based company. They make beautiful, very good quality dresses that are a good crossover between something that you can wear if you're a modern gal that likes the kind of chic, classy look, or they can very much fit the vintage style, particularly the more kind of 50s, 60s Mad Men style. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the dresses. So I'm actually wearing one, of course, this one here. It is very Marilyn. It's actually my favorite out of the little haul. I felt that it was just a really classic look and something quite different from the rest of their range. So this is the one that really caught my eye initially. It is white, but it is fully lined. It is a very thick material. I would say height of summer, perhaps these dresses are a little bit warm because they are fully lined and they are a heavier material. Like when you pick up a Pretty dress, like it is hefty, but that's always a good thing in my opinion. It means the garment is well made. But is it a light, flowy, sort of cottony outfit for summer? No, but for this current beautiful spring weather, they are just about perfect. This one is absolutely gorgeous. It is like the epitome of a wiggle dress. It's got beautiful ruching over the hip area and over the bust, so you know, it can make you look more endowed, but it can also hide things. It just creates a really beautiful silhouette. I'm all about the silhouettes. I don't know about you guys. I love that wasp waist look. The material is stretchy, so it does mean that if you want to wear a waspy or a corset underneath, it will kind of figure hug, which is really good. If you're gonna go extreme waist training or restricting, you might need to get the dresses taken in a little bit, but because they are stretchy, they will conform or fit to your body if you're just trying to get that like general hourglass shape, or if you are already shaped that way. The second dress I got is this beautiful little number in forest green. There is not a lot of clothing out there in forest green, so whenever I see something in forest green, I'm always over the moon and I have to have it because it is one of my absolute favorite colors. I personally think it looks quite good on me, so hence why I'm always trying to get hold of it. But I love this because of the neckline. It is very kind of 60s with that boat neck and this little like split detail here. Very sweet, and then the matching little cuff as well. Again, another wiggle dress. I just think it suits that kind of Mad Men early 60s look very well. I didn't go like an authentic look for this. I dressed it up for my Instagram in a kind of like 40s hair, 60s outfit, 50s makeup. Like I really mix and match, but I think that's the fun of it. You can make it your own, and as I say, it is a modern dress that has a vintage flair to it, so you don't have to try and be authentic in these. Just by putting them on and doing your hair and makeup in any kind of vintage style, you're going to feel very retro, very vintage-esque. The next one I got from them, this felt very Roman Holiday, like Audrey and Roman Holiday. I think it is the silhouette. It's obviously not the right colors and stuff, but the neckline and the 50s style slightly batwing sleeved, even though it is a no sleeve dress, the way that it sits around the armpit and the shoulder is very 50s. And obviously the collar with the kind of V-neck, yeah, very 50s feel, and then of course a circle skirt. Like if that doesn't feel 50s, what does? But I just feel like the silhouette of this is very Audrey and Roman Holiday in that classic outfit that she wears with the tan skirt and the white blouse, but obviously in a very racy red. I can't wait to wear this out. I feel like I used to have a pair of red shoes that would have gone so well with this that I got rid of in my mass exodus of Australia, like when I just got rid of everything. My favorite pair of shoes, and what I was thinking, I was having like a panic and I just got rid of them. So they would have looked beautiful with this. They're actually the ones that I wear in the intro picture for my videos. But yes, absolutely divine. And I recently got a true vintage little, I can't think of the name right now, I'll put it on the screen, a little hat from Blackout 2 that I like to wear with this, and I just think it looks so pretty. It's all still got the tags on them. I have to remember to take that off. I'm so shocking, I always forget to do that. But yes, absolutely beautiful. Again, like you can see, everything is fully lined. Look at all the finishings on the zips, etc. It's got a hidden zip in the back or an invisible zip. Everything is fully darted, so it fits beautifully. And then they always have a lining in the skirt as well. So in terms of the dress keeping its shape, it sits really beautiful on your body because it is lined, and you don't see like the lumps and bumps of your undergarments through your underwear, or if you're wearing like a suspender belt with stockings clipped on, it's not so easy to see them through these garments because they are properly lined and because it's got a really nice heavy material. So I'm a big fan of that. The next piece is like, it caught my eye and I told them I really liked it because it's not kind of 40s or 50s. It's actually quite out of my usual style, but it is this gorgeous cobalt blue jumpsuit with like long, wide legs. I just really thought this was super classy, and I thought, you know what, I can wear that and look vintage and glam, but actually be super comfortable. I'm down for that. And I was right, it's very comfortable. But I can also see myself getting like the blowout kind of Farrah Fawcett hair, doing some goldy kind of pink or orange makeup, putting on a pair of gold strappy sandals and really rocking this as a 70s outfit as well, like a very Studio 54 kind of thing. That will be in the future of this outfit. I did style it the other day, but I did it with my hair of the moment, which I have a tutorial for if any of you are interested in. It's on my IGTV, but I felt very glam in that, and something about the end result, because I was wearing red shoes and red lippy, made me think of Spider-Man. So I don't know, it was like the femme fatale version of Spider-Woman. I don't know what I was thinking, but the photos just made me think of that in the end. So comfort meets glam. I like it a lot. And again, all fully lined, you know, that perfect. I have no complaints about this company, honestly. Everything fits beautifully. They're absolutely darling to work with. They're the loveliest people. They're so like grateful and kind and answer questions, and yeah, they're just very sweet. And as I've said a million times, I do like to shop local. It is, you know, more sustainable to shop. Sorry, my camera stopped recording. Just decided for itself that I was done. No. So, what was I saying? Yes, I prefer to shop small business, not just because of the like ethical and sustainable factors, but also because it's just really nice to actually know who you're buying from, be able to have a conversation with them and watch them grow and support people who are doing something creative and entrepreneurial. Let's just share the love, guys. I'm feeling very share the love today. So they're the pieces, guys. They're beautiful. They're something a bit different from the previous ones that I got from them. They've already been on my Instagram, so if you do want to check them out, go and follow me on my Instagram. You will see them there. They will get styled in a different way. As I say, I styled them all with the same kind of hairstyle, so I am particularly with the blue one looking forward to styling that in more of a 70s style down the track. So there you go, guys. That's the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Share it with anyone you think might enjoy it. Here I usually say come and join the Vintage Tips and Tricks community on Facebook, but it is very sadly closing this Sunday for reasons that I will explain in another video. But there is a daughter community opening up run by a selection of the beautiful moderators that helped me with the Vintage Tips and Tricks group. So if you are looking for an open-minded and inclusive community, they have started a daughter community, which I will link below. So there is still a group that you can go to. It's just not the one that I started. Whether or not it will open up again in the future, I'm not sure, but I will always keep you guys posted. And as I say, I will release a video talking completely about this very, very soon. So thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!